the Itel A06, the cheapest smartphone from Itel in the market, released this year. This device is purposely designed for the first-time smartphone users, the elderly, children, and even a call phone. I don't recommend this smartphone for mid to heavy user unless you aren't a gaming or camera fanatics. Display is a 6.56-inch water drop HD display of 540 by 1208 pixels. Yeah, not even 720p, but hey, you are not its target market. Walk away, bro. It has face unlock and a fingerprint scanner. This time, it's located at the camera island of the back of the phone. Memory is a 2GB RAM, expandable to 4GB using memory fusion. Sorry. Yes, but you are not its target market, like I said. Whilst its ROM capacity is a 32GB, expandable with memory card. Its powerhouse is a Unisoc Tiger SC7731E quad-core processor, which is the weakest processor as it handles only lighter usage. Don't download Call of Duty and blame on Itel. I know some of you, so don't say I didn't warn you. Camera is an 8 megapixels rear, 5 megapixels front, based on its cheapest price. It is okay, by the way. Its battery is a 4000 mAh, which should take somehow a day of use. However, its charger, unfortunately, is a total speed of 5 watts, which would take a long time to fill this 4000 mAh large battery. But hey, you are not its target. Its OS is an Android 14 Go edition, which is justifiable as this is the cheapest phone to handle lighter tasks. So take it like that, or like I said, you are not its target. Thank you very much for this review. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day.